A quick note also on capacity and performance management using Runecast Analyzer. So when it comes down to performance and capacity management of your VMware environment, it really, Runecast lends itself to enable those things simply by using the functionality of Runecast. And what I mean by that is after you do an analysis of your environment, then you have results based on KB's discovered best practices, security hardening guidelines, hardware compatibility, and things of that nature. You're going to have your logs configured and forwarded. So, really the point is just use Runecast, the feature set that's built in, because if you're going through and you're identifying and remediating known issues in your environment, if you're following to the best of your ability the best practices and recommendations based on your environment and configuration from VMware, if you're complying against all of the security guidelines and frameworks that you need to, if your hardware isn't illustrating any issues or driver problems or firmware version problems, etc., if your logs happen to be clean, then your hardware stack and your environment will be configured optimally. Um, Regardless, it's an inevitable thing in our industry that hardware will age. Generally, systems grow in size, they don't shrink. People need more memory, CPU, all those types of things, network bandwidth, storage, all those types of things. And you'll get to a point where you need to either replace or upgrade your current hardware. But in the meantime, what I find most people are not doing is configuring it optimally to what you're currently running. So if you do that, take these steps and known issues and these items that are identified through Runecast and alleviate and remediate those issues, then your capacity management and your performance for your specific environment is going to be at the best it can be. So I just wanted to touch on that. Again, it's simple in nature. Just use Runecast and its different feature sets and functionality to optimally configure your environment, and that'll be the best that you can do with the current hardware stack.